Ladies and gentlemen, I need to say this. I am really enjoying what is going on Itonga. You know, the very same people who are angry that Banele has died are the very same people who are tired of him now and wanting him to leave. And on this video, I want us to talk about that and more. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. You know, I'm noticing that the Magwaza family is not happy about Banele's stay on Itonga. I think they feel like he's overstayed his welcome. And yeah, well, the Magwazas are not the only people who are feeling that way. The viewers of the show are also feeling that as well. I've watched comment sections of Mzansi Magic social media pages. People really want Sanele back. Even this now, people even hate Zama and Male's relationship. I thought you guys loved this relationship most. Guys, what is happening? And as I've said at the beginning of this video, I am really enjoying this, and I'm enjoying it a lot because the last time I created a video about Banele's return, most of you guys were here in my comment section telling me that Banele should come back and Sanele must live forever. Well, it looks like Banele took your advice because he's here now, refusing to leave. He told Sanele recently that he doesn't want to leave and that Sanele is the one who should have died instead of him. Imagine that. Now, everyone is worried, including Abu Magwaza. Banele showed them that he doesn't deserve to be here. And they are feeling it, but their problem is that they don't know how to take him back now. Which makes everything worse because he doesn't listen to anyone, more especially Mbongeni. He talks to Mbongeni like he's talking to his younger brother. I don't know why the producers and the writers thought this was funny and we were going to enjoy all of this, because to me, it is as boring and confusing as hell. But then who am I to say that? I know that most of you guys feel like Ngapeta Nje. That is why I want you to comment on the comment section. Share your thoughts, ladies and gentlemen, and your opinions about this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it. Subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.